Hey everyone, welcome back to ITPK. If your Windows 11 system has started feeling slow, cluttered, or filled with apps you don't actually use, in today's video, I will help you to clean it up safely. I'm going to show you how to debloat and optimize Windows using an open source tool called WinUtil by Chris Titus Tech. It's transparent, easy to use, and available publicly on the GitHub, so you always know exactly what's happening to your system. Before proceeding, make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK and let's jump right into it. First, open up any browser in your computer and go to the official GitHub page for Chris Titus WinUtil. I've added the link in the video description so you could access it directly. Scroll down to the releases section and download the latest version and save it anywhere for your convenience. I am putting it in the download folder. Once the script is downloaded, let me put it in somewhere clean location. I am going to this PC, C drive, want to make the new folder here and name it Chris Titus Debloat. Okay, let's put this tool here. Now go ahead and open PowerShell as an administrator. And here we want to go to the location where we have our tool. So copy this location and type cd space and then the path. Now press enter. Now we are at path where we have our page title WinUtil script. Now just go to video description and get this command. Just copy and paste it in your PowerShell and press enter. Now if you got this caution about execution policy, just go ahead and type bypass and press enter. Now looks like it's opening WinUtil tool for us. Perfect. Okay, so if you're having any problem in running these commands and downloading Chris Titus Tech Util tool, let me show you the simple and quick method. Just close it out, open PowerShell again, run it as administrator, and here paste the command from video description, and this will download Chris Titus tool directly from the internet and open it in front of you. Here you go. Okay, when for the first time Chris Titus tool open up in front of you, you will got different tab. Install, tweaks, config, updates, and microwin. Here, our required option is tweaks. For cleaning up and optimizing your system, just go to tweaks section. In the tweaks section, you will find two main categories, the essential tweaks and the advanced tweaks. Essential tweaks includes commonly used improvements such as reducing background activity, disabling unnecessary telemetry, remove built-in bloatware, basic privacy protections, and performance enhancement. These are safe for everyday users. And advanced tweaks provide deeper control over the system services and components. Only enable advanced option if you know what they do. For this video, I will select the combination of recommended option for both categories. Once you have chosen your settings, click Run Tweaks. PowerShell will begin applying the changes in the background, and this may include installing and uninstalling certain components. That's completely normal. When everything finishes up, you will see a message saying Tweaks Finished. After the tweaks are applied, close the tool and restart your computer once so the changes are fully applied. After the restart, you should notice a smoother performance, fewer unnecessary apps, and reduced background usage. Your system becomes cleaner and more responsive without breaking anything. And that's how you can safely debloat and optimize Windows 11 using Chris Titus WinUtil tool. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to ITPK, and share this video with others. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.